Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove text from our video using Photoshop Mobile application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my phone, and first of all we have to open our Photoshop application in our phone and choose a photo you want to remove the text from. For example, I'm going to remove text from this photo, so I'm going to select it, and then we can go to the heal feature or the heal option. This one, click on this heal option, and then you can tap or drag over the area you want to remove. And I'm just going to draw on this text to remove it like this. Okay, and now as you can see that the text has been removed from my photo, and then we just need to click on this icon to save our photo to our device. Alright guys, so that's how we can remove text from our photo using Photoshop mobile application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.